Hi and welcome to Orange Cooking. Tonight I'm going to make chocolate liqueur brownies and I hope you enjoy it just as much as I do. So first thing I'm going to do, I have a bar of dark chocolate. I'm going to use about 200 grams of it. And I'm just going to break it up so I can melt it in my microwave for at least a minute. With the chocolate, I'm going to melt 150 grams of butter. Just going to chop it up and add it to the bowl, and I'm going to melt it all together in once. Alright, after we melt the chocolate and the butter, I'm just going to pour it into my container, all like this. I'm going to put 150 grams of sugar. Now we're going to put 3/4 of a cup of flour, or 110 grams. Then 1/4 cup of the chocolate powder or cocoa powder, and 2 eggs. Some vanilla. I add just a teaspoon of vanilla, and then last thing I need to add, coffee liqueur. Just calling for 2 spoons of coffee liqueur. So about 1, 2, and that's it. And then we're gonna mix it all up. Now this is just optional, but you can take some coffee grains, some grounded coffee, and just add it to it. Maybe just a spoon and a little bit. And if you want that coffee taste to it, and you just mix it all in with it. Alright, now we're going to put it in to get baked. And I normally cook it for at least half an hour. Sorry, I will cook it for an hour, not half an hour. For an hour in my oven at 180 degrees or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And just make sure it's all cooked in the middle once it's all done. Alright, now the brownies are done. I have to let it cool down before I can start cutting it up. Some people like to put more chocolate sauce on top of it. I like to keep it plain and simple. And then I'll just cut it up and eat it when it's ready. And have a nice day. Bye.